Welcome to Dinar and Dong Updates. We're absolutely thrilled to welcome you once again during what could be the most groundbreaking update in our history. This isn't just another routine economic insight or speculative headline. This is a defining moment that has the potential to change the course of global investments for years to come. For a long time, the story of the Iraqi dinar has captured the imagination of investors across the world. It was a tale marked by quiet optimism, persistent research, countless debates, and firm belief. Today we can finally say, with clarity and full assurance, that the revaluation, RV, of the Iraqi dinar is no longer just speculation. It has officially begun. This is not a simulation. It's not another rumor. It's not another hopeful whisper in online forums. The revaluation is real, active, and underway. After years of doubt, it has emerged as a verifiable and confirmed financial event. Banks are validating the changes, currency systems are adjusting globally, and investors are seeing real results in their accounts. This moment didn't arrive by chance. It is the result of years of planning, reform, international cooperation, and national transformation. Iraq's economic framework has gone through rigorous modernization, from shifts in central bank policies to major technological upgrades in its banking system. What once seemed like small, incremental changes have now merged into a unified and powerful shift in the country's financial future. Barriers have fallen. The transition is live. We are witnessing a financial evolution that many believed would never come. But it's here, and it's happening now. The IQD revaluation is no longer just a topic for insiders. It's a worldwide economic event. From Baghdad to Berlin, from New York to Sydney, the systems are showing the new rates. The transactions are being processed, and the momentum is undeniable. People who've held on to the Iraqi dinar through all the ups and downs, through skepticism and delays, are finally experiencing the payoff of their patience. Financial institutions across multiple countries have confirmed that the revaluation process is officially recognized and operational. Updated exchange rates are being reflected in real time through banking terminals, financial apps, and teller services. This isn't a test or a minor correction. It's a legitimate global shift in currency valuation. It is being acknowledged by international banking systems, observed by economic analysts, and acted upon by investors. In just a few short hours after the announcement, reports poured in from every region. Individuals successfully exchanging their IQD at new, higher values. Financial advisors and bankers confirmed the legitimacy of the transactions. Currency databases were updated, and trading platforms began adjusting accordingly. The long wait is over. What's crucial to understand now is that although this is a major financial win, it must be approached strategically. Now is the time to act, but act wisely. Don't rush. Instead, prepare properly. The first step is to find a licensed and reputable financial institution that handles Iraqi dinar exchanges. Ensure they're operating in compliance with the latest regulations and using up-to-date rates. Have your documentation ready. Valid ID, verified dinar notes, and any necessary tax forms. High demand is expected, so contacting the exchange location beforehand is highly recommended. Many banks may require appointments or have specific procedures in place to manage the flow. While the official rate should be consistent, some banks may offer better fees, reduced processing times, or incentives for customers. Don't just accept the first offer. Shop around, compare, and make the most of your return. After years of waiting, your strategy in this moment matters more than ever. Also, be mindful of the tax implications. Depending on your country of residence, the gains from exchanging your dinar could be subject to capital gains tax. Consult a certified financial planner or tax advisor to understand your obligations. The last thing anyone wants is to celebrate a successful exchange only to face an unexpected tax burden. Some experts suggest exchanging a portion of your dinar now, while holding on to the rest, to see if the value increases even further. Others recommend converting everything at once to secure gains. The right approach depends on your individual financial goals, risk tolerance, and long-term strategy. And as with any major financial event, the emergence of opportunists and scammers is inevitable. Be extremely careful who you deal with. Only conduct exchanges through certified, regulated financial institutions. Be wary of any offer that sounds too good to be true or requires upfront payment or sensitive information. These are often scams. Do not share personal data with unverified sources. Always ask for documentation, retain receipts, and ensure communications are secure. Your financial security is just as important as your financial gain. On a broader scale, this development is not only transformative for investors, it's a monumental step forward for Iraq. The successful revaluation signals a country that is reclaiming its economic potential, integrating with global systems, and moving beyond decades of instability. It reflects years of effort, reforms, and perseverance. With a revalued currency, Iraq is poised for a new chapter. Foreign direct investment is expected to increase, international trade partnerships will strengthen, and infrastructure development is likely to accelerate. The country's energy sector, agriculture, and industrial base are now positioned to grow under renewed global confidence. The IQD is no longer just a piece of speculation. It's a functioning symbol of Iraq's resurgence. As the financial world turns its attention toward the region, we can expect to see increased engagement in trade, diplomacy, and regional cooperation. And let's not forget, you, the investor who held on, are part of this history. Your belief, your patience, your research and commitment helped shape this outcome. Whether you were driven by faith, strategy, or both, you now stand at the start of a new financial reality. Yet, while this is a landmark moment, it's only the beginning. Markets are still reacting, policies will continue to evolve, and the full impact will unfold over time. Stay informed, follow reputable news sources, monitor financial platforms, and consult professionals as needed. Adaptability will be your greatest tool in the days ahead. Don't be swayed by hype or fear. Instead, approach every decision with a balance of caution and confidence. Whether you've already exchanged your IQD or are planning to soon, make choices that align with your larger financial goals. We also encourage you to share your journey. Your experience can help others, those just starting, those who are unsure, and those navigating the process alongside you. Whether your story is filled with success or still unfolding, your voice contributes to a collective understanding that empowers everyone. So take a moment to reflect. You've been part of something monumental, something real. A financial transformation years in the making is now happening, and you helped bring it to life. Let's continue this journey together. Stay engaged, stay cautious, and most importantly, stay informed. We'll be back with more insights and updates as the story continues to unfold. Thank you for your trust, your attention, and your part in this movement. The revaluation of the Iraqi dinar is more than just a headline. It's a story of belief, resilience, and opportunity. Let's make the most of it, together.